Hi, welcome back to Lulu and Pedro's cooking show. Patsy is a noodle dish. This is bok choy. I'm liking this giant. And I'm looking at those like snipped broccoli from the garden. Whoa, look at these. Remember these tomatoes too? Okay, I think this is enough. Let it soak in the water. I'm cutting bok choy. This tastes like sweet celery with cabbage and a little bit spicy too. If you want, you can cut all of it or save some. And now we are cutting the tofu. Now we are peeling garlic. And now we're putting the bok choy in. Now I put the broccoli in. Now I'm going to be pushing this aside. Ingredients for the sauce is water, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, vinegar, and sugar. Looks like jelly. Now we will be tasting our food. The noodles are sweet. Yeah, because of our sauce. Passe. They're filling it up. I